Hello friends, I am Ankit. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can declare a variable and constant in PHP and how you can display values of them.
So let's see how variables can be declared in PHP, how values of variables can be displayed, and how strings can be displayed. Also, we will see how constant can be declared. So first of all, to write any code in PHP, we have to make the delimiters. So this is start delimiter and this is end delimiter. And unlike C, there is no need to declare a data type of variable. You can directly assign value to it. So in C we write like this integer number and then we assign value to that variable, but in PHP there is no need to mention the data type of any variable. You can directly assign the value and PHP takes care of assigning appropriate data type to that variable. But there is one thing that should be kept in mind, that any variable name in PHP is preceded by dollar symbol. So here our variable is number, but I have preceded it by dollar sign. So this is something which should be kept in mind. Every variable name must be preceded by dollar symbol in PHP, and you can assign value to that variable directly like this. After assigning a value to any variable, you can assign the value of any other data type to it. So here I am assigning number variable a string value. So this is perfectly valid in PHP. So PHP will automatically change the data type of number variable in this case. Another variable can be declared like this. Floating type values can also be declared. So this is a simple way to declare any variable. Actually, there is no declaration part in PHP. As you can see, you can directly assign the value to a variable. Now if I want to display the value of this variable, so to display any value in PHP, echo statement is used. So just write the echo statement, and after giving space you can write the variable name and it will show the value of that variable. So here ABC is being displayed. Same way I can display value of name variable, so it will show Ankit on screen. I can join the values of two variables, but to join them dot operator is used, which is string concatenation operator. String concatenation operator is used to join two variables or two strings or a variable and a string. So let's see some examples of dot operator. So here I am joining name variable and number variable. So my output will be Ankit ABC. Okay. So now I am joining string with a variable. So here this is a string and this is a variable. So string value and value of a variable will be joined by dot operator. So on screen the message would be like, hi Ankit. Similarly, you can join two strings also. So I'm joining two strings, hello world, and hello world will be displayed on screen. So this is the use of dot operator. Now let's see how we can define a constant. So to define a constant in PHP, built-in function define is used. So as you can see, you have to pass two values or two arguments to these functions. The first argument is the name of constant. So here I am declaring a constant named pi, but constant name should be enclosed with quotes. So I am putting them. And second argument, you have to pass the value of that constant, that is 3.14. So two things are notable over here. First thing, the name of the constant is in uppercase, so it is not compulsory, but by convention we are making the names of constants in capital letters. Second thing, constant names are not preceded by dollar symbol. So here I have not mentioned any dollar symbol before the name of the constant. And this is how you can display the value of constant. So this will show value 3.14 on screen. One last thing, by default constant names are case sensitive. So suppose I try to access the value of constant by writing the name of the constant in small letters, it will give me an error. So undefined constant. So to overcome this default behavior, we can pass the third argument as true. So third argument is the case insensitivity. So by default it is false, but if you want to uh, override this behavior, you can pass true as a third argument, and now it won't show me any error. The constant name is now case insensitive. So this is everything about variables and constants in PHP.
Hope you liked the video. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy. Goodbye.